Finally, the time came to say goodbye to Pokhara. I wish I could stay 2-3 more days, but we were running out of time.
Okay, we're checking out. Yeah, paid yesterday. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Bye. $800. Just done that? Now change this note, please. Stayed in Pokhara for last 3 days and it was amazing time. We explored so many places as you saw in the video. So now we are going to Lumbini, which is around 164 kilometers from Pokhara city. I heard that the road condition is good, so we will not have that much difficulty like when we came here. Bihar to Kathmandu, the road was very terrible, and as you saw in the video. So today is last day of riding in Nepal. We decided that we will stay somewhere near border. We have only 6 days of permit, which is about to end today. There is a turn after every 3 seconds. So you have to be careful as much as possible, because sometimes people drive here like insane. So, and accidents are very common in Nepal, so you have to be careful.
You and me are bored of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high on love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high on love. We're invincible. Trust in me. We're invincible. Don't you see? We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible.
We planned to visit Lumbini by the evening, but the Google map took us to the complete wrong way. We asked local about the place and the correct direction, but we found out that Lumbini is 25 kilometers from the place where we were that time. So we decided that we will not go to Lumbini that day and stayed at the local lodge near border. Next day at 6:30 am we start our ride to Lumbini, and just in 30 minutes we reached there.
We stayed last night near India-Nepal border, and the border is around 3.5 kilometers from here. The purpose was to stay here just to explore Lumbini. It's 11 AM and today we are going to stay near Ghazipur, which is around 210 something kilometers. And tomorrow we will try to enter Ranchi, cover up around 400 kilometers in one day. I will strongly suggest you guys to take this route and don't come from Bihar side. As you saw in my video that the roads are not good at all. They are under construction from last few years.
के रहने वाले हैं?
रांची झारखंड। रांची झारखंड।
जांच करवाओ और आप।
अच्छा ठीक है। Across the first toll plaza of India, and it's quite a cold here. As you can see, it's 12 PM right now, but it's still foggy. So at border they checked our luggages, and they released us in quite a few minutes. It was not very difficult to cross the border, but make sure you don't have any restricted stuffs or alcohol or something in large quantity.
Let's escape the gray and let the colors rain. Turn the shit we do and
By the evening it was so cold that my bones were shivering, and it was getting difficult to find a good hotel. When we reached Salempur, we decided that we will not go any further cause it was already dark and it was very cold, and we were also concerned about the robbery activities that happens on that route. Somehow we find a very cheap hotel near Salempur. We couldn't able to sleep whole night due to intense cold and people screaming from the other rooms due to influence of alcohol. So friends, we stayed in this room yesterday. We didn't have any options because the roads were already foggy and it was freaking cold, and we got these blankets. At 8 am I saddled up my bike. I decided that anyhow I will reach Ranchi today. The distance from Salempur to Ranchi is around 500 plus kilometers.